tightness right in here.
That's
Okay,
right,
I'm going to take your arm here. Rest your head in my hands there. And drop your head down. Drop down. Oh.
Wow. Wow. That was amazing.
Okay. Like that?
That's the one.
One here.
Wow. so, so good.
How's that going now?
Wow. I feel free. It feels
Easier?
really easy. Yeah, that was really cool.